How to get free coins on Webtoon. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to get free coins on Webtoon, you have come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you some easy and effective methods to earn those coins without spending a dime. So let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about reading Canvas comics. If you want to earn free coins, you need to read 30 Canvas comics every Sunday. It's super simple, just tap on the Canvas section right here. Once you're in, pick any Canvas webtoon you like. Remember, it does not have to be just one comic, you can read multiple. You make sure that you hit that 30 comic mark by the end of the day. Now, if you are looking for an even easier method, let's check out promotion codes. Head over to your account settings and scroll down until you find the promotion code option. Tap on that, and if you have the promo code from the Discord or friends, enter it here and then hit apply. This is a great way to snag some free coins quickly. And there you have it. There are two effective ways to get free coins on Webtoon. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, drop down a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.